Hello friends, in the previous video I introduced some panels of PowerPoint. Today we will learn about ribbon, tabs and dialog boxes, and in the end we will make the presentation mentioning 7 habits of highly effective people. Before starting, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now coming to the tabs, these are the tabs. These are the tools which are placed in the dialog boxes. These are dialog boxes, clipboard, slide, font. And this whole box is known as a ribbon from where you can edit your presentation. In the clipboard dialog box, here is the cut button which is used to remove your selected text. For example, if I write PowerPoint is a software for presentation, and select it and then click cut tool, your text will be removed. For selecting the shortcut key is Ctrl A, and for cutting the shortcut key is Ctrl X. This is the copy button which is used to copy the selection. For example, if I write this is my first presentation, and select it, then by clicking on copy it will be copied, and by clicking on paste it will be pasted where you want to. But before doing it, you have to select the area or click on the desired destination where you want to paste. For example, if I select this text and click on paste, then it will be replaced by my copied text. Or if I click here and then again click paste, copied text will appear. The shortcut key for copy is Ctrl C and for paste is Ctrl V. This is the format painter button which is used to copy all of the formatting from one size object to another one. For example, we want to make the font type and the size of both headings same as the first heading. Then we will first select the first heading, click on the format painter button and then select the second heading. You can see that the second heading format is now the same as the first heading. If you want all the headings to appear like the first one, then instead of clicking multiple times, double click the format painter and all your heading fonts will be changed. This is the slide dialog box. Now there are 4 buttons: new slide, reset, layout and section. New slide button is used to add new slides which will appear on your total panel. This is the layout button which is used to change the design of your slide. For example, if I click on the layout, there are many designs like blank, comparison. If I click on comparison, the design of the slide will change like this. If I choose to content, my slide will appear like this. Reset button is used to reset the size and format of the slide to its default settings. Now the last is section, which is used to merge slides. For example, I have made 5 new slides. Now I select the first slide, go to the section button and click on add section. Name that section, then click rename. Now all 5 of my slides will be merged. This is font dialog box. It lets you change the size, style, underline, shadows, change case, color and highlight the text. For example, this is the paragraph. Select it and change size of font. And highlight it. The shortcut key for font style is Ctrl+Shift+F. For bold it is Ctrl+B. For italic it's Ctrl+I. For underline it's Ctrl+U. For increasing font size, Ctrl+Shift+ greater symbol. For decreasing font size, Ctrl+Shift+ lesser symbol. Now I have added some quizzes. Let's check what you have learned today. Question number 1. What is the name of the dialog box where cut, copy, paste tools are present? A. Sweater panel. B. Clipboard. C. Font. D. Presentation. If you guessed B, then you are correct. Question 2. What is the shortcut key for selection? A. Ctrl+Z. B. Ctrl+A. C. Ctrl+Y. D. Ctrl+V. If you guessed B, then you are correct. Question 3. What is the short key for pasting? A. Ctrl+Z. B. Ctrl+A. C. Ctrl+Y. D. Ctrl+V. If you guessed D, then you are correct. Question number 4. What is the shortcut key for bold? A. Ctrl+Z. B. Ctrl+Shift+. C. Ctrl+B. D. Ctrl+I. If you guessed C, then you are correct. Now in this section, let's use the tools learned today. Suppose your teacher has given you assignment to make a presentation on your favorite book. Since mine is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey, I will make presentation regarding this book. The process will be either to read the book or Google the topic and note down important points. Once you have done your research, then start making your presentation. Since I have done my research, I will elaborate each habit on a separate slide. Select first slide and then type the first habit, be proactive, and give some explanation about it. And to make it interesting, put some images. Now if you wish to change the font style, then change it from the font dialog box. Similarly, make slides for other habits too. So watch out my next video to learn more interesting tools of PowerPoint. Bye bye.